Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me running my Jtru design business at home, and I make party decorations and gifts for people. So hopefully you enjoy these type of videos. So today I wanted to show you guys some of the orders I've received, and I will be making them and also show you some of the ideas I have to add to my shop. So without further ado, let's begin. I hope you are enjoying this video so far, and I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below, just so my video can reach out to more people, and it's good for the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you so much. So I have come up with this cake topper idea and wanted to share it with you guys, and I quite like the idea of using two colours against each other just to jazz things up a little bit. What do you guys think? Let me know if you like number 1, 2 or 3. So that is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. And before I go, just to let you know that I am currently on 220 Etsy listings. I know I still have a long way to go, but it's still moving up, so I'm happy. If you guys are following me on this journey, then thank you so much. And thank you all for supporting my channel. And please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.